you're having any issues understanding the this keyword in JavaScript, I think I can help you be more confused about it. So let's say I have an object called my obj, and it has a method in it called my math. No, that doesn't sound good. My func, and it's a function that only logs this. So no, this Jesus Christ, I can't even do JS. So what do you guys think it's going to log if I call this method? What this is going to refer to? It's going to refer to the object, where it is. Here it is. So this, in this case, refers to the object. And why is that? That's the second rule of this. It is when it's a method of an object, it always refers to the object. So when it's a method of an object, it refers to the object itself, right? Now let's say I have an array of animals with a cat and a dog. And let's say I have another method here called animals, and it's also a function, and inside this function I want to loop through all of these animals and display the animal name and the this keyword, just because that's something anyone would like to do. So I would go animals dot for each, and this method expects a callback function, which is going to take each member of the array and console log the animal and this. Now, if I call that, what do you guys think this is going to refer to? My obj.animals. This is going to refer to the window object in that case. See, cat, window object, dog, window object. And this is because this function here, it's not a method of this object. This function is inside of the method, but it's not a method itself. So it falls back to the first rule, which is this refers to the window object. Window object in JavaScript. It's not the same in Node, because Node has no window object in it. Now, for the crazy part, what do you think this is going to refer to if I turn this thing in an arrow function? So to turn it in an arrow function, I just have to take the function keyword off and put this. As soon as I put the arrow, it's going to display, and this is going to refer to the object again. And why the fuck is that? It's because arrow functions, they inside of them, the this refers to whatever is surrounding it. That's called lexical scope, but I call it whatever is surrounding it. And in this case, what's surrounding this arrow function is the method. And inside the method, the this refers to the object, right? So even crazier is if I turn this one in an arrow function, it goes back to the window. See? That's because the same rule applies. An arrow function takes the this from the context, from what's surrounding it, and you see, to avoid confusion, I'll just take this thing off and just log this here. It's going to be the window. And that's because the arrow function takes the this from whatever is surrounding it. In this case, it's the object, and in the object, the this refers to the window. In its methods, it refers to the object, but in the object itself, it refers to the window. And I can prove that by, let's put another key here called myThis, and just put it as this. Let's clear this log. And if I log my obj.myThis, it's going to be the window. What's not defined, bro? Oh, it's defined. It's going to be the window because, as you can see here, this inside the object refers to the window. So this refers to this, which refers to the window, and the only one that refers to the object itself is the one that's inside a method with a normal regular function, right? That's simple, very simple, right? Yeah, I know it's fucked up, but that's how it works. I hope I helped. Bye bye.